Hi guys, here 18 divided by 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 power 3 times 4 minus 7. Here 18 divided by 6 is 3 plus 2 power 3 times 4 minus 7. Here 3 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 4 minus 7. Here 3 plus 8 is 11 times 4 minus 7. Here 11 times 4 is 44 minus 7. Here 44 minus 7 is 37 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 37 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So here, 18 divided by 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 power 3 times 4 minus 7. Here, the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 2 power 3. We have to do this 2 power 3 before any other operation. So 18 divided by 6 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 4 minus 7. Here we have division, addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one. So we have to do this 18 divided by 6 before this operations. So 18 divided by 6 is 3 plus 8 times 4 minus 7. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 3 plus 8 times 4 is 32 minus 7. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here addition and subtractions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 3 plus 32. 3 plus 32 is 35 minus 7. Here 35 minus 7 is 28 is the right answer.